I'm Patrick the plumber, and I want to plumb your clogged toilet. Whether it's explosive diarrhea, or just plain poop, I'll clog it out. It's just me and my plumber, Sally. That's right, I named her. Alright, so for only $108.38 an hour, you can get my special treatment. I'm going to be showing you an example. Someone had explosive diarrhea last night, as you can see. I'm going to clog this toilet and get all of it out. Watch the example. Looks like I clogged that beauty out. Now let's flush. Oh god, that doesn't look good. Oh no. Mom? Oh my god. Don't clog on me. Is it clogged? It's supposed to do that, folks. It's just supposed to flow in there a little bit. And as you can see, all that explosive diarrhea is out. All there is the remains of the toilet seat. I will simply clean out with a Clorox wipe. So again, for only $108.38 an hour, you can get me and my plumber Sally over here to do your fantastic job. If you have explosive diarrhea and need it out, Patrick and Sally will get it out. We'll do our best to do our best. We'll get it all